Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be making some hot honey lemon pepper wings. We're going to throw these bad boys in the air fryer, do it real easy, real delicious. You guys stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get into it right now. All right, guys, so here I have about 2 pounds of wings. These are whole wings, but they are small wings. They've already been washed, cleaned, and whatnot, and it's thrown into the bowl. I did put a paper towel and try to dry them off somewhat. What I'm using is garlic lemon pepper. Got this from Ross. We're using some Nashville hot seasoning. If you don't have that, just go ahead and use some red pepper and seasoned salt. And then I'm using some coarse grind black pepper. Then I have some hot honey here. If you don't have the hot honey, you can just use some regular honey. Then we have some buffalo wing sauce that we're going to be using to make our sauce for the wings as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season my wings up. I have a tablespoon of the lemon pepper. We're going to be using a tablespoon of the Nashville hot seasoning and just about a half of a tablespoon of black pepper. The lemon pepper doesn't have a ton of sodium. It's more of a herb-based seasoning and garlic lemon pepper seasoning. So it's heavy on the garlic and the lemon and has other herbs and light on the salt. So you're good there. And then the Nashville hot, got that from Aldi again. If you don't have that or you can't find it, perfectly fine. Just use some seasoned salt and some red pepper. All right, now that we got our wings seasoned all up, I'm going to add just a little bit of cornstarch to our wings. That's going to help give them a nice little crispy outside. When I do wings with sauce, I do like to have them really crispy on the outside, and when you throw them in the air fryer naked, they may not get the crispiness that you want, but adding just a little bit of cornstarch can help with that. So we're going to put in a couple tablespoons of cornstarch just to kind of coat each wing. Doesn't have to be super heavy or anything, but you do want them lightly coated. Then we're going to go ahead and let the wings just sit for a minute while we bring our air fryer up to temp. I'm going to be cooking my wings at 385. We're going to go, the first run is going to be about 12 minutes or so. We're going to see how the wings are looking, flip them over, and then continue to let them cook until they're done. Then we'll bring them out, sauce them up a little bit, throw them back in there with the sauce on them so the sauce is set, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and put our sauce together. Now, this sauce is simple. I have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I have a half a cup of hot sauce, or this is Frank's wing sauce, but if you have hot sauce, you can use that. The wing sauce is a little bit hotter than regular hot sauce. And we're going to go in also with about a half a cup of honey. Then we're also going to go ahead and put in some of our garlic lemon pepper seasoning in order to add a nice little lemony bite to our sauce. So I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon and a half more of our lemon pepper seasoning. Then we're going to go ahead and melt it down and get it cooked up so we can add it to our wings. All right, guys, so the wings have been going for about 12 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and flip them over. I did forget to add that I did spray a thin layer of cooking spray on top, and we're going to do the same when we flip them. So you do want to spray them before you begin to cook them. Once you flip them, you'll add another thin layer of oil and throw them right back in the air fryer at 385 for about another 12 minutes or until they're done. Now, if your air fryer has a wing setting, use that. All right, guys, so we've got our wings done. Total cook time is about 24 minutes, 12 on each side, 385 degrees, and they're nice and golden brown. So I just want to add my wings to a bowl now. I'm adding them to the bowl just to add the sauce to them. We can flip the wings around a little bit, then we'll put them back in the air fryer and allow that sauce to set. Now, these wings are fire just like they are, but this sauce is going to take it up a notch. Now, again, this sauce has got hot honey in it, some Frank's buffalo sauce or buffalo wing sauce, and some garlic lemon pepper seasoning. So it's really, really good. It's going to take these wings to a whole nother level. I can't wait to dig into them. So all I'm going to do now, just toss our wings. Now, you can eat them just like they are, or do what we're going to do and throw them back in the air fryer for just about a minute or two, just to let that sauce set back on them. Then we'll use the residual sauce, lather them up some more, and dig in. But these things are looking fire, and they smell so good. So back to the air fryer they go. I did line the bottom with foil from the very beginning, just to make cleanup easier. Plus, it's going to help when we do our wings, I put them back in there with the sauce on them, because now we don't have to worry about the sauce dripping off the wings and going to the bottom of the basket there. Let's pour a little bit more on top, and then again throwing them back in the air fryer for about a minute or two, just to have that sauce tack up on these bad boys, and we're in the home stretch. And just look at those, y'all. Look at them wings. Ooh-wee. Let's plate them up. Try to make them look nice. Put the finishing ones on there. I do have another batch of wings that we're going to do after this. Just want to let you guys see how they're looking, nice and golden brown, sauced up heavy. Gonna add a little bit more sauce on them. Oh no, yeah, you'll be good to go. Now these is great any way you want them, for game day, for just after work and you want some wings, or whatever the case may be. You guys give this one a try. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, God bless you. We will definitely see you around.